Sale. A sole trader who does not keep full accounting records wishes to calculate her sales revenue for the year. The information available is 1. Opening inventory, $4,250. 2. Closing inventory, $6,000. 3. Purchases, $22,750. 4. Standard gross profit percentage on sales revenue, 40%. Which of the following is the sales figure for the year calculated from these figures? Answer. Cost of sales equals opening inventory plus purchase minus closing inventory equals $4,250 plus $22,750 minus $6,000 equals $21,000. Sales 100%. Cost of sales 60%. Gross profit 40%. Margin equals sales minus cost divided by sale equals 40%. Sales equal $21,000 divided by 60% equals $35,000.